So we're at our campsite at Forth for the night, the free camp. We got off the boat this morning and we're going to go out for a walk to stretch our legs. And I just saw ourselves in the mirror and went, we look like we're in Tassie.
Feel like we're in Tassie.
I think it was 11 degrees.
Feels like
6.
Yep.
But it feels like we're in Europe.
It does.
Love
Very
it.
much so.
Where's the third? Oh, my jokes are getting worse.
It's a bit cold.
It's like ice. He's gonna laugh. Sensor. Sensor, apparently.
This is a special sensor.
The manual.
Sensors are idiots.
Smoke the butter.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. We're camping over there and we saw some guys with some round, like basket things. Is that what you used to get? Oh, wow.
Mmm.
They're
Thank
nice.
you. They are nice.
And it's fresh water.
Yep.
Wow.
Well, they come from the salt.
Oh, and they swim up.
Yeah. Come up here to spawn.
There's our camp just across the river. Things you stumble across.
And the family of the guy who's in an unmarked grave here are the ones who paid for that gateway to be built.
We've stumbled across this pioneer century. It's just so interesting reading some of the history. From the late 1800s to early 1900s. We've come across.
Look at the size of that.
Our first wake up morning in Tasmania, and we are on the Forth River, I believe.
Yes.
And we are staying in Forth, which is about 12 kilometres out of Devonport. We moved camp today. It was a lovely camp though, it's donation. $11 or $10 I think.
It's a donation. I'll tell you how much to donate.
Well, people on Wikicamp say
Yeah.
how much to. Right on the river. Got blue sky today, Kaz.
Oh my goodness. It was a bit grey yesterday, wasn't it?
Yeah.
But today looks good. I'm going to do that again. Ready?
Sure.
Hi, I'm Karen.
And I'm Monique.
And we're so glad that you could come on a journey with us.
See you next time.
Bye now.